Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to add Grammarly. So if you want to add Grammarly, you can click on add-ons, go to home tab and then click add-ins. Next you can type spell checker and then install the spell checker into your Microsoft Word. After it will be show for the grammar checker in the rec bar, and then you can click start correcting to correct the document grammar. So we're waiting to complete it checks. Now in it we have the option communicate, and so you can click these icons to move into the word. So this is the word. Then you can click these icons to check and correction the grammar. So we'll set again letters, and you can click this icon. So this is for the words, and you can click these icons to fix correction the grammar. Also at this option documents, if you're done you can click this icon, and I will move into here. So you can delete like at this point, and also in here. You done you can close again, and then feature you can set like the feature, and this is OneDrive. You can click again these icons. You then can click close. Now we correction all grammar in this document. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to add Grammarly. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.